Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Synchroni. Ticker symbol is SYNC. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing December 5th on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Synchroni coin, ticker symbol SYNC, in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is being listed December 5th, 12 o'clock UTC time on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search SYNC, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, in a rapidly evolving blockchain landscape, Synchroni coin emerges as a pioneering solution to one of the industry's critical challenges, interoperability. Synchroni coin is a revolutionary project designed to bridge these gaps, unlocking a new era of decentralized connectivity. Their paper you can find on their webpage. If you want to read that, their webpage here is synchroni.io. Over there you can find an 11-page white paper, and their white paper presents an in-depth exploration of the Synchroni coin's mission, technology, and the transformative impact it aims to have on the blockchain ecosystem. Through a meticulous combination of advanced blockchain synchronization mechanisms, Synchroni coin enables secure and efficient cross-chain communication. Our project addresses the pressing need for interoperability, providing a platform where different blockchain networks can seamlessly collaborate and share data. This abstract serves as a gateway to the comprehensive insights presented on their white paper, offering a glimpse into the innovative features, technological architecture, and real-world applications that define the Synchroni coin. As we embark on this journey towards a more interconnected and collaborative blockchain future, Synchroni coin invites you to delve deeper into the pages, exploring the intricate details and solutions, and understand how we are shaping the future of decentralized possibilities. So the advent of blockchain technology has ushered in a decentralized era, promising security, transparency, and efficiency in various industries. However, as blockchain networks proliferate, a fundamental challenge has emerged: interoperability. So the current landscape is marked by isolated blockchain ecosystems that operate independently, hindering the seamless exchange of information and assets between them. Enter the Synchroni coin, a visionary project that seeks to redefine the boundaries of blockchain connectivity. Synchroni coin addresses the pressing need for interoperability by serving as a conduit between disparate blockchain networks. In the section, we introduce the core principles, objectives, and motivations behind the Synchroni coin, aiming to create a decentralized environment where data flows freely and collaboration knows no bounds. So the problem statement, we kind of just addressed that already, but let's skip down to Synchroni solution. So Synchroni coin represents a transformative solution to the blockchain dilemma, introducing a groundbreaking approach to blockchain interoperability. Our project aims to redefine the landscape by creating a bridge between different blockchain networks, fostering seamless communication, and unlocking the full potential of decentralized technologies. At the core of the coin lies the advanced blockchain mechanism. This proprietary technology enables secure and efficient exchange of data and assets across different blockchains by introducing a standardized protocol for synchronization. It eliminates the barriers that have traditionally hindered interoperability. So that's obviously where the name comes from. They want to synchronize blockchains and instead of having them separate. So Synchroni coin facilitates frictionless cross-chain transactions, allowing users to seamlessly transfer assets and conduct transactions between disparate blockchain ecosystems, whether it's cryptocurrencies, tokens, or digital assets. This coin ensures that value can flow freely and securely across interconnected networks. So they go over the technical architecture of that. We don't really need to go over that. Let's check out the use cases though. So the Synchroni coin can be used for cross-chain transactions, like we mentioned already, decentralized finance integrations, interconnected decentralized applications, so dApps, and supply chain transparency and cross-platform token swapping. Now their roadmap, starting here with phase 1, project concept, team formation, white paper release. Phase 2 is technical development and testnet launch, technical architecture development, smart contract development, testnet launch, deploying the coin's testnet for community testing and feedback. Phase 3, public sale, security audits, mainnet launch. Phase 4 is developer incentives, strategic partnerships, cross-chain integrations. And Phase 5 is going to be governance, continued research and development, and community engagement. So they're going to have different partnerships along the way. Now, if you want to check out some socials here, they have a Twitter. I'm going to put that up in the corner of the screen here as usual, at SynchroniCoin_1. You can find their Twitter there. And they also have a Telegram that you could find at SynchroniCoin. Now their Twitter, 2,866 followers so far, just joined in July 2023, brand new project, only 40 tweets so far. And then they have the Telegram here. Does that even work? Yes, it does. Okay, 5,257 members on the Telegram. So they're doing pretty well on their socials so far. You can join them to join the conversation, learn more about this project. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.